After multiple comments saying get some seafood, we're here. I'm going to get the king crab legs and lobster tail. And I usually get the juicy special mild. It's time to eat. Like, these pieces are huge. Look at this. It's looking like this one about to get cut. If I even cut it, I don't know how y'all do yours, but everything get ate over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip this. Legit have so much meat on it. Stop playing. I really wish I could give you some, but I'm going to just have to enjoy it for the both of us. Let's not forget about the lobster tail.